right, guys, so today what we want to talk about, or what we want to learn about, is what do you drink on keto, standard, keto omnivore, whatever you want to call it, or keto carnivore, and low carb, high fat. And that is water. I know it's hard to believe. I know you guys have a really hard time understanding how important it is to to hydrate yourself while doing any of these low carb dietary measures because of the problem with holding on to your electrolytes. So with that said, your electrolytes for these low carb diets would be sodium, potassium, and magnesium. And the reason why water plays such a huge role with those minerals is because when you drop your carbohydrates, when you drop them, you also lose water, sodium, potassium, magnesium. People become dehydrated, they get muscle cramps, benign heart palps, they can't sleep at night because their electrolyte balance is so low. So with that said, water is very, very important. People are like, can I do herbal teas? And I'm like, well, some of these teas are diuretics, so you're losing your water. Meat broth is really great. It's something that I'm pushing more often now because you can hydrate yourself, get a little bit of protein, but get that potassium in all at the same time. Not the bone broth, because bone broth tastes like rotting corpse. I know. How did that become so popular and not meat broth from the rump, from the rumpa bump? Now, the amount. So this thing here, it's my workout bottle. It's 17 ounces. Well, you need just not 17, because some of y'all just drink this much a day. Like, I'm shocked. Or people are asking me about bubble water or soda water. You can't hydrate yourself, you guys, on soda water because there's so much air in it. So this is 17. 2 of these would be almost a liter, which is 34 ounces you need. 33 is a liter. You need at least 2 liters, which means 4 of these bottles a day. That's what you need. And you have to sip. If I show you guys on camera, you have to sip this stuff like this and not chug. The body cannot. It's the same thing with your digestive system. If you guys eat fast or drink water fast, you don't hydrate yourself very well. It's sipping throughout the day, sips throughout the day as to not overwhelm the absorption of your water. People don't understand. Once you start drinking water, it takes 45 freaking minutes to get into your body. So as a pre-workout, okay, I'm looking at the time here, okay? As a pre-workout, we want to start drinking that water 45 minutes before. So we need water to balance those electrolytes, because when you drop your carbs, because carbohydrate, drop water, drop sodium, magnesium, potassium, and people get headaches. They get muscle cramps. They get benign heart palps because they're not drinking enough. Some people get sent straight to the hospital because they're not drinking enough water while doing a low carb, keto carnivore, or low carb, high fat. Now it's time for the next video, and I'm out. Don't forget, you guys, to go to stephanieperson.com to book a consultation or to join my keto course. If you want to get free content, you can stay right here, or you can go to Keto, Stephanie Ketogenic on my Instagram, or you can go to Stephanie the Business Person on my Facebook. Or do not forget that I have, have an affiliate program with Ancestral Supplements, which is brain to freaking booty tail, of like brain and trachea and thyroid and adrenal and thymus and all this stuff, kidneys. For those who are dealing with DAO deficiency and things of this nature, you can go and find that. You register that link on ancestralsupplements.com. Bye, guys.